Hi, in this video, we will see how to download and install Notepad++ in Windows 11 operating system. So for this, I went to the google.com. So just search download Notepad++ for Windows 11 and then hit enter. So then first you see notepad++.org and download section. Just click on this link. So it will navigate to download section of notepad++.org website. You see here, you will see so many different versions. So we'll download latest version, that is version 8.4.7. Just click on this. So now it will navigate to this page, and here you can see download button. So you will have different options, 32-bit and ARM64, but this is enough. Like our operating system is my operating system is 64-bit. So I'll just click on this download. Now it started downloading here. So once it is downloaded, just click on this exe. So then it will prompt you to install. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll just click on yes. So it will ask you to install a language, which language you want to install. So I'll select English, click on OK. So it will prompt you like, click on next button and agree the terms and license agreement. So this is the default location where it will install. So it is in C program files. So if you want, you can change, but my suggestion is don't change anything. Let it be default. Click on next, click on next. And then if you want to create a shortcut on desktop, you just click on this. Otherwise, you can ignore. So I'll just click on install. So now it will start install. You see that completing Notepad++ 8.4.7 setup. And you see, once you finish this, you want to open that notepad or not. So we already downloaded it, right? So we will see whether it will open or not. I'll check this checkbox and click on finish. Now it will open Notepad++. You see that Notepad++, by default, it will open change log. What is the latest features and bug fixes available in 8.4.7. So if you want to create a new file, new, you can click on this. So new document, you can write something here and you can save. Okay, you can save. Otherwise, if you want to open something, you just click on this open. Otherwise, file, open. You can open the already created file. Okay, just click on readme, open. You see that it opened. So you can open folder structure. You can create so many files like this. Just double click here in an empty place. It will create different files. New 2, new 3, new 4, new 5, new 6, something like this. So if you use Notepad, so you'll have only one file. Otherwise, if you want to open multiple files, but in the Notepad++, you can have multiple tabs. You can easily navigate between your files. Okay, so it is very similar to Notepad, but you'll have different options. Sometimes you can write your HTML code or Java programs also in this. Okay, so this is how you can download and install Notepad++ in Windows 11 machine. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.